Yeah, guys, Bitcoin back above 43. Well, it just dipped a little bit down. Yeah, I'm just making this video because we got a Fed meeting tomorrow. I had to throw my macroeconomic bullshit out there for you guys that new investors probably don't know much about the Fed meetings, but the Fed interest rate meetings are very important to know about. Yeah, I didn't know about this stuff really until like a year or so ago when they started the end of the last bull run. It pretty much started when they started raising interest rates, and this shit collapsed because everything was propped up of low interest rates for like the last 10 years since the financial crisis. This is why Bitcoin was created, guys. Because the system is straight garbo, you know? I could go on and on about it, but it's the Chinese, yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on over there. The Evergrande real estate company, it's like one of the biggest real estate asset people in the world. They're tanking, and it's kind of weird because the government in China basically, it's like they pass a law to where you can't short Evergrande, then they like you can't sell it or nothing. So it's like, to me, that's pretty sketch. I knew about this stuff though. I knew about Evergrande. So this has been an ongoing thing for like 2 years. I think it's been priced in. All these people on the news and stuff, they're all like, yeah, we're going to zero. We're going into a 10-year recession. They just want to buy up your fucking assets. They don't want you to get scared and sell all your shit right before the bull market. You know? Why do you think they say this stuff on the news, guys? Because they want dumb people, aka retail investors, to sell your Bitcoin, whatever crypto you hold. I mean, if it's like if it's like some stupid meme coins, they don't care if you buy or sell that. But if you're, you know, these high utility altcoins, you know, they want you to sell those too. They're accumulating all that stuff on the low. Banks and stuff, especially like Quant and Algorand and Hedera. Don't think these institutions and stuff aren't fucking with them, you know? Gotta be. Because they have partnerships with these people. You think they don't hold a bag? But yeah, anyways, I was just talking about the market. I don't think this Evergrande stuff is really going to affect the price of Bitcoin. If anything, I think it might strengthen it. Because I think all these people in China's a pretty restrictive economy. Like as far as here, like in America, if you're an investor, I mean, like I just talked about in my videos, like Alchemy Pay, that's one you can buy on my phone. That shit's in Singapore, dude. You know, you can't invest money like that in China. Like they want, I don't know what the extent of like their investing capabilities are, but if I had to take a wild guess, just throwing a dart in the dark here, saying I would just guess that most Chinese people, most of their assets are held in China, you know? So they're basically caged in China. And the only thing about China is now they're trying to be passing these ETFs for Bitcoin and stuff. Then you might have all this money from China's shitty economy where, like, you know, think about being a Chinese billionaire and your money's all trapped in Chinese assets and they're all tanking. Where do you want to put your money? Is it gold? Maybe. You're gonna put billions of dollars in gold and keep it in your fucking basement? How are you gonna protect that? How are you gonna carry it around and transfer it? Nah, you're just gonna probably buy Bitcoin because that's what the fuck people do now. It's new technology, it's better, you know? Gold 2.0, Bitcoin. Now, with that being said, there is some other people that are, I heard a third party guy. I'm not like big on the political stuff. I am kind of conservative, but I don't really want to talk about that on YouTube. But there's a guy running that's saying he wants to make Bitcoin like a gold standard, basically back in the US dollar type asset, you know, basically the global reserve currency. Yeah, if that happens, I don't know what Bitcoin would probably be worth like 10 million each. At that point, people would be gobbling them up. Governments and institutions won't be no more retail. The retail will be completely priced out of Bitcoin if that ever happens, guys. So, like I said in my quant video, I made a quant video. If you want to get on something like that, you missed out on Bitcoin, you should check out quant. My personal opinion, but I'm super bullish on quant. Obviously, people don't like I compare it to Bitcoin. It's not like a currency; it's an operating system, but it has like more scarcity than Bitcoin. And the use case, the utility, I mean, it's fucking connecting banks and institutions to blockchains and making them interoperable with other blockchains. I mean, dude, it's the Microsoft of blockchain. It's like literally buying a Bitcoin at $100. Like, Quant is actually kind of accelerated faster than Bitcoin has. I think it's been out since 2018. But I think this will be a utility bull run, guys. I think we'll see a lot of projects that haven't really like had their moment. You know, I feel like Algorand is one. It never really had a bull run. I think when it come out, it was like 80 some cents. And then at the bottom of this bear market, it was like 8 cents. That's one that's been very disappointing is Algorand, because it's such good technology. Like their consensus mechanism they have with the scalability, it's probably arguably one of the best blockchains. It's, carbon negative. They just got named, the United Nations like official blockchain. Why the fuck is it still like 16 cents? I don't know. Did see something about, this is kind of funny, kind of stupid too. I saw the CEO of Algorand, their X account got hacked. I don't know how all these people get, Gary Gensler gets hacked, I don't know these people, but yeah, they made a really kind of offensive post. It said, "You Algorand N-words are so poor." I was like, what? And the algo community didn't really, they kind of like laughed at it, but a lot of people attacked the CEO because he said some other stuff about, he changed stuff in the bio on the account and did all kinds of crazy stuff. But yeah, you guys should look that up. It's kind of interesting. You know, people always hacking, doing goofy stuff nowadays, man. Kind of makes the project look bad, but I'm really bullish on algo. I bought a lot of it around under 10 cents, so I think that's a steal. You know, algo around under 10 cents. But anyways, yeah, Fed meeting tomorrow. I think the expectation is that we just stay where we are. I don't think they're gonna cut or raise. They're just gonna stay where we are, guys. I think the market's kind of priced that in. You know, then we got all these earning reports coming out. I don't know why Bitcoin's dipping today. Maybe it was like a grayscale sell-off again or something. I don't know. But I haven't really been watching Bitcoin too much. I've been kind of working a lot and stuff. But yeah, guys, I'm about to sign off.